Good morning, and welcome back to English with Audie. Today, we are going to learn very useful English phrases. We are going to talk about shopping. Every phrase you hear today is used every single day by real people in the United States and the United Kingdom. So, let us go shopping together in English.
Before we go shopping, we make a list. In English, we say, I need to write a shopping list. Say it slowly. I need to write a shopping list. We also say, let me check what we need. Slowly, let me check what we need. While writing the list, we say, we are running out of milk. Say it with me. We are running out of milk. Running out means you have very little left and need more soon. In the UK, people say, we need to get a few bits from the shops. A few bits means a few small things. We need to get a few bits from the shops. Now we arrive at the store. In English, we say, excuse me, where can I find the bread, please? Say it slowly. Excuse me, where can I find the bread, please? The shop assistant might say, it is in aisle 3. Slowly. It is in aisle 3. Aisle means the long rows between the shelves. We also say, do you have this in a different size? Say it with me. Do you have this in a different size? In the UK, people say, have you got this in a larger size, please? Have you got this in a larger size, please?
Now we choose our products. In English, we say, which one should I get? Say it slowly. Which one should I get? We also say, let me compare the prices. Slowly, let me compare the prices. Compare means to look at two things and see the difference. While choosing, we say, this one is better value. Say it with me. This one is better value. Better value means you get more for your money. In the UK, people say, that one is better value for money. Value for money is a very common British phrase. That one is better value for money. Sometimes we need help in the store. In English, we say, excuse me, can you help me, please? Say it slowly. Excuse me. Can you help me, please? The assistant might say, of course. What are you looking for? Of course. What are you looking for? We also say, I am looking for the cleaning products. Say it with me. I am looking for the cleaning products. In the UK, people say, could you point me in the right direction, please? Could you point me in the right direction, please? This means, can you show me where to go? Very polite. Very British. Now it is time to pay. We go to the checkout. In English,
The cashier says, "Did you find everything okay?" Say it slowly. Did you find everything okay? We reply, "Yes, thank you. I found everything I needed." Yes, thank you. I found everything I needed. The cashier also says, "Would you like a bag?" Would you like a bag? In the UK, the cashier says, "Do you need a carrier bag?" Carrier bag is the British word for shopping bag. Do you need a carrier bag? We also say, "Can I pay by card, please?" Can I pay by card, please? Sometimes things cost too much. In English, we say, "That is too expensive." Say it slowly. That is too expensive. We also say, "Is there anything cheaper?" Slowly. Is there anything cheaper? When we find a good deal, we say, "Oh, that is really good value." Say it with me. "Oh, that is really good value." In the UK, people say, "That is a bit steep." Steep means too expensive. That is a bit steep. We also say in the UK, "That is a bargain." A bargain means something very cheap and good quality. That is a bargain. Sometimes we need to return something to the store. In English, we say, "I would like to return this, please." Say it slowly. I would like to return this, please. The assistant asks, "Do you have your receipt?" Do you have your receipt? We reply, "Yes, I have the receipt here." Yes, I have the receipt here. We also say, "I would like a refund, please." Say it with me. I would like a refund, please. In the UK, people say, "I would like to take this back, please. It is not quite right." Not quite right means it is not exactly what you wanted. I would like to take this back. It is not quite right. Many people today shop online. In English, we say, "I am going to order this online." Say it slowly. I am going to order this online. We also say, "Let me add it to my cart." Slowly. Let me add it to my cart. Cart means the online shopping basket. In the UK, people say, "Let me add it to my basket." Basket is the British word for online cart. Let me add it to my basket. After ordering, we say, "The delivery is expected in 2 days." The delivery is expected in 2 days. We also say, "I am tracking my order." I am tracking my order. Shopping is finished. We walk out of the store. In English, we say, "I think I got everything." Say it slowly. I think I got everything. We also say, "I spent a little too much today." Slowly. I spent a little too much today. When we are happy, we say, "I got a really good deal today." Say it with me. I got a really good deal today. In the UK, people say, "I did well today. Got a few bargains." Got a few bargains means found some things at very low prices. I did well today. Got a few bargains. Very satisfying feeling. In any language. Wonderful work today.
Let us quickly review all our shopping phrases. 1. I need to write a shopping list. 2. We are running out of milk. 3. Excuse me, where can I find the bread, please? 4. Let me compare the prices. 5. Can you help me, please? 6. Can I pay by card, please? 7. That is too expensive. 8. I would like a refund, please. 9. Let me add it to my cart. 10. I got a really good deal today. Practice these phrases every time you go shopping. Say them in the store or while shopping online. Your English will grow every single day. Thank you so much for watching today. I really hope these shopping phrases helped you. Next time, when you go to the store or shop online, try to say these phrases out loud. Even just 2 or 3 is a wonderful start. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English with Audie for a brand new simple English video every single week. I will see you in the next video. Take care, keep practicing, and enjoy your shopping. Goodbye for now.